Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fasten down your bottom rail for your skirting. It's quick, it's simple, and it's easy. More on that right after this. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're going to be fastening down our skirting. Now, it's pretty simple, in all honesty. I went to my local big box store, got a 10-inch spike, and there's a hole in your rail, your bottom rail. The only thing you got to do is stick that in the hole and line it up with the other piece. Get yourself a rubber mallet or hammer. I prefer the rubber mallet because my skirting's right there. Now, we have to get it the whole way down. I got myself an old screwdriver. Pull your skirting back. Push it down. Try that again. Push it down. There you go. That's all there is to it. Okay, if you found this video at all helpful, do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up. Click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.